Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We're doing walking water.
So what? Oh, okay.
Here's what you need. You need paper towels, food color, glass, and that's all you need.
Water and some empty glasses as well.
Tissue paper.
Oh, we already said tissue paper.
Oh yeah.
So everyone pick a color.
No, I pick a blue. So
Okay, I'll do yellow then. So 2 drops at least.
Now we had to mix them, which is a problem.
Right.
We should get something to mix. Should we mix them?
At least I might do 3.
Now we fold the paper towels. Now we add that. And then you put it here. I put it here. And then we put it here. Got it? Alright. I'm going to do this.
No. That goes in there. Let me do my last one.
Oh no. It's too big. It's okay, mommy.
There we go.
Just a little.
Oh, it's starting to walk.
The green one is walking. I'm gonna wait for 2 hours. The water will like go up, then you can see it's filling up. It's filling up right there. The water will go. The yellow one started to. See that? The yellow one is going. Oh, the red one too. The blue one too. Every color. So we're gonna be right back. Bye. It has been 2 hours and it is nighttime. The water is walking. Oh, you can see right here.
The water has been walking. That's what happened.
This one's changed.
Oh yeah, you can stop and stop.
You wanted to show you like if it was a circle, it would look like cool. Now we're gonna take them out and then put them on something. Now we put the paper towels on here. This could be fast. I'm just gonna re-put this like that. Oh, that is lime.
Oh, it looks like
Lime green.
I don't know what it looks like. It just looks weird. Like weird.
I'm not pouring mine. And now we're gonna show the art. Oh.
This one's cool.
Yeah. That is
so there's the colors.
Ta-da!
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed.
Now let's show you which color it's made. Blue and green makes this
Cyan.
Make lime green. Make reddish orange. Now I'm going to show art. Wait for a little bit. Now a little bit's done. You need to like equal the sides first. Now it's pretty cool color. Both of them look awesome, but
This would be like used for an art project, but then you'd have like leftover water. Yeah, maybe you could make an art project with those or something.
that was the end of our video. Hope you like and subscribe, and bye. Have a good day.